Speed. Velocity. Acceleration. Physics. Adventures in one-dimensional motion. To learn more about motion, let's meet our friend Billy. Hey, Billy. Do you like going fast in your car? Do you know how the laws of physics affect your car? Do you know what displacement is? Do you want to know, Billy? Well, alright, let's get to it. Motion is the action or process of moving or of changing place or position. Let's break this down into 3 parts: displacement, velocity, and acceleration. First up, displacement. The length between an object's final position and its initial position. Let's give an example. Let's say you have a ship. Oh, good gravy, not that kind of ship, get that out of here. Ah, yes, much better. Good boy, Scampers. Now let's say you, the lady, and Scampers are on a nice evening boat ride. You go down 40 meters south to the creek, and then you take 30 meters west to the candy stand. Now what you just made there is a right angle at 90 degrees. In order to find your displacement, you just find your hypotenuse, which is right over here. Wow, well isn't that just dandy? Now let's try a real-life example. Drum roll, please. So, let's review. The distance between the starting point and the ending point is the object's displacement. Next up, velocity, speed, or distance over time.
Example 1. Let's say you decide to take the choo-choo from Chattanooga to Tinseltown. The trip's about 50 meters long.
Well, it takes about 10 seconds.
Now, just from knowing the distance and the amount of time it took to get there, we can calculate the velocity. Now we can solve for velocity by dividing distance over time, which when we do gives us the answer at about 5 meters per second. Good job! Billy sure looks like he's enjoying that velocity on that skateboard. Watch out, Billy. Don't want to go too fast on that thing now, do we? Ha 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 ha! Whoa there, partner. Billy, are you enjoying velocity? Do you know anything about acceleration? Alrighty then, here we go.
Finally, acceleration. The quantity that describes the rate of change of velocity in a given time.
Example 1.
A trolley car in the big city takes 5 seconds to come to a complete stop after moving from 9 meters per second to 0 meters per second. What is the average speed? We can find it by using the acceleration formula, which is the average acceleration is equal to change in velocity over time, which when solved gives us an answer. Good job!
Billy was so excited about learning about motion, he decided to go ask his brother what he thought. Can you explain to us what one-dimensional motion is?
One-dimensional motion?
Yes.
A motion that is only going in one dimension?
Could you elaborate?
No.
This has been Adventures in One-Dimensional Motion!